What's up guys, this is Masi, welcome to my channel. In previous video I showed you how to solve a quadratic equations in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0 if we are dealing with a common factor. But sometimes we don't have a common factor. Let's see how do we solve it. To complete this square, the leading coefficient if must be 1. So if it's not 1, we need to divide it by the factor here, divided by a. So we divide both sides by a. Let's see some examples. We have 2x squared minus 3x equals to 20. Answer will be (2x squared divided by 2 minus 3x divided by 2, 20 divided by 2. Therefore, it will be x squared minus 3 over 2x equals to 10. Then 3 over 2, you make it half, negative 3 over 2, you make it half, is going to be negative 3 over 4. And when we make it squared, it's going to be 9 over 16. So it will be 2x squared minus 3x plus 9 over 16, 20 plus 9 over 16, actually you added to that one, so that's negative over 3, 10 plus 9 over 16. So when we add this, it's going to be x squared minus 3 over 2x plus 9 over 16. And here you have the common denominator. So it's going to be 1660 plus 9. So therefore it will be x squared minus 3 over 2x plus 9 over 16 equals to 169 divided by 16. So here we have a perfect square, so it will be x minus 3 over 2 to the power of 2, and here we have 169 over 16. Therefore we have x minus 3 over 2 equals to plus minus square root of 169 divided by 16, or 13 over 4. So x will be 3 over 2 plus minus 13 over 4. Actually, this one is 3 over 4, because negative 3 over 2 divided by 2 is going to be negative 3 over 4. So it's going to be negative 3 over 4, and here is going to be negative 3, positive 3 over 4. Then 3 over 4 plus 13 over 4 will be 16 over 4. The other answer is 3 over 4 minus 13 over 4 will be negative 10 over 4. This one will be 4, this one will be negative 5 over 2. So these are the final answer to this question. So basically that's how we solve this kind of quadratic equations. Let me show you another example. This example, we're going to have 3x squared minus 2x equals to 21. As you see here, there is no common factor. So I need to divide both sides by 3. So it's going to be 3x squared divided by 3 minus 2 over 3x. 21 divided by 3 is going to be 7. So we will have x squared minus 2 over 3x equals to 7. Then negative 2 over 3 divided by 2 will be negative 1 over 3. And negative 1 over 3 to the power of 2 is 1 over 9. Therefore you add 1 over 9 to both sides of this question. So this side is perfect square, so I write x minus 1 over 3 to the power of 2. This side will be 7 plus 1 over 9, which will be 9, 63 plus 1, which is 64 over 9. Therefore, x minus 1 will be plus minus square root of 64 over 9. So x minus 1 over 3 will be plus minus square root of 64 is 8, square root of 9 is 3. So it will be x equals to 1 over 3 plus minus 8 over 3. So one answer is 1 over 3 plus 8 over 3. The other answer is 1 over 3 minus 8 over 3. So 9 over 3. Here we have negative 7 over 3. Next example. I have 4x squared plus 2x equals to 20. Answer is, we can factor 2 here. It's going to be 2x squared plus x equals to 10. So 2x squared plus x equals to 10. Then we need to divide both sides by 2. It's going to be x squared plus 1 over 2x equals to 5. Then 1 over 2 divided by 2 is going to be 1 over 4. And 1 over 4 to the power of 2 will be 1 over 16. Then you add 1 over 16 to both sides. Here we have perfect square. It will be x plus 1 over 4 to the power of 2. And here we have 5 plus 1 over 16. If we use the common denominator, it will be 8 plus 1. 80 plus 1 is going to be 81 over 16. Therefore, it's going to be x plus 1 over 4 is going to be plus minus square root of 81 over 16, which is plus minus 9 over 4. So x will be negative 1 over 4 plus minus 9 over 4. So one answer will be negative 1 over 4 plus 9 over 4. The other one is negative 1 over 4 minus 9 over 4. It's going to be 8 over 4. Here will be negative 10 over 4. Negative 5 over 2. And here we have 2. This is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you think it was useful, please like this video. And you can also subscribe to this channel. You can find out lots of videos regarding math and science. If you have any question, just leave me a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you and have a great day.